can't tip it over.
I am. I won't post it, but we need this for
My hair.
Oh no!
It's not me being in the box that I care though.
But you worry about your hair?
I am.
And still the alarm is going upstairs. Hey, at least I haven't gotten off the sofa to get close-ups.
That's because you're fat and lazy.
Oh, thanks. I just love the fact that you peeked through the little crack. Here, look at her hair. Look at her hair. Oh my God, I don't know why she doesn't. I don't know why she cares about her hair. But look at her hair.
It's like not done. It's like.
Oh my God.
It's like fresh from the shower. It's probably everywhere. Are you gonna wait for me to try to get out of here?
Yes, that was more what I was trying to video.
I'm staying. I'm staying in here until the camera goes.
I should unpause, at least unpause the TV while we're waiting.
I can't see it. In the back of my temples. Oh, I can hear vibrating.
As she tries to make a graceful exit out the back. Do you want a towel of some sort to put over your head? Okay, we are now at the point where I am definitely not turning the camera off. Because you've gone so far. This is like that failed attempt where the state police wanted to like erect barriers around fender benders to keep people from stopping, to slow down to look. You're stuck, aren't you? I was waiting for something like that to happen. No, I really hope I don't have to return it.